how to make e-mobility sustainable by applying the principles of circular economy. We work on this iLiving Labs project for a period of 6 weeks in a group of 6 students. The main objective is to apply the principles of circular economy into e-mobility and make it more sustainable. Even though electric vehicles represent a lot of investment, they still present some challenges: environmental, engineering, financial, and governmental challenges.
Facing those problems, we've come up with a solution, which would be to convert previously combustion car to hydrogen EV hybrids, which would use both hydrogen and EV technology. For this, we've utilized our Hungarian colleagues' car that they have in their facilities, and then we would put new parts in it, so it would become an EV hybrid. We would use an electric engine, 4 of them, one on each wheel, an hydrogen fuel cell to power the electric engines, and the hydrogen fuel tank to give energy to the fuel cells, and a reutilized battery that would recapture otherwise lost energy from braking and would store it in this battery, and then we reutilize it in the electric engines.
So there are several types of hydrogen with different sources. We choose the green hydrogen for the project because we think it's the best way to get sustainable e-mobility for that. And to conclude, we choose that solution because we believe it's the one that answers the most challenge we see during our project. And we believe that solution can make e-mobility sustainable by applying the principle of circular economy.